Hello everyone, my name is Derek Tyndall from the IT Geeks department, and I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to create closed captions for your videos on YouTube. So to start off, there are two different types of CC or closed captions. There is soft caption and hard caption. A hard caption is one that cannot be turned off and will always appear on a video, while a soft caption is one that can be turned on or off during a video. On YouTube, they use soft captions simply because some may not want to see them, and having the option to turn them on or off makes it very useful for multiple and various types of videos. So to start your process, you simply go up to the top and click this little arrow that says upload. This is where you will go to upload your video. It will bring you to this page where you'll see a select files to upload button in the center of the screen. All you have to do is click that, and then it will bring a little menu that you navigate through your computer to find your video and upload it. Once you find it, you just simply click it and then hit open. Once you hit open, this next little menu will stop or to pop up, and it begins the uploading process, which it shows up here. And here you can edit any kind of basic information towards the video, such as what the video is named, what people will search to find the video, what's the description of the video, and also whether or not everyone can see it or just you can see it, or if you'll upload it later. Simply that. So once the video finishes the processing, you can simply just hit the publish button and then it'll appear in your video manager, which I will jump to just to save some time. Alright, once the video finishes processing and you click the publish button, this next screen will appear. And from the spot we need to go to create closed captions, there are two different ways to go there. The first way is simply down here where it says Video Manager, but some people may click off of this screen and may need to return to edit the closed captions later, which is at all possible. To do that, you simply click the top three bars on the top left corner, and then My Channel. Right. Once you click the My Channel, it will bring you to your actual channel, which has the video we had just uploaded. Next, you go to Creator Studio, and then this will bring you to the Video Manager or one of the sections on the side. If it's on anything else, just click Video Manager and Videos. And here we see the video that we had just recently uploaded. So next, you click the little arrow next to Edit, and then you will see all these multiple different options. You just need to click Subtitles/CC. That will then bring you to this menu where this little pop-up will come up. It says Set Video Language. Just set it to English or whatever language you happen to be using for the video, and then Set Language. Next, it'll have a little example video of what we have uploaded and the Add New Subtitles or CC button. You want to click the Add New Subtitles or CC and then the language you just picked. Next, it'll bring you to a screen that says Select Method. Here it says Upload a File or Transcribe and Auto Sync. These are a little bit tougher than usual, but so it's best just to do the Create New Subtitles or CC. So you click that button, and it will bring you to the editing menu for subtitles. Here we see the type subtitle button or text box, which basically is where you type whatever words are being said in the video or whatever you're wanting to see in the closed captionings. Here is the video itself, and then down here is a timeline with the audio files or the audio wave format of the video sound. So what we want to do is scroll over in real time to a spot where our person is talking and we want to know what to type. So we just click the button and it should be able to hear what he says.
My favorite thing about online classes is the flexibility.
Alright, so he said my favorite thing about online classes is flexibility. All we need to do is click the type subtitle text box and then just type out what he said. Just going to listen to that one more time just to make sure.
My favorite thing about online classes is the flexibility.
My favorite thing about online classes is the flexibility. All right. just fix any errors that may have popped up. Once you have whatever you typed, you just click the blue button with the plus sign, and it will create this little timeline section, but more importantly, it creates this little box down here in the corner. So we know he says this from about 12 seconds to 15 seconds. All you need to do is take this little blue bar on the sides of the box and scroll it to where it begins and to where it ends. So that way, whenever he says it, the CC will pop up and show his text for what he said. So for example,
My favorite thing about online classes is the flexibility.
alright, so that's all it takes to create any subtitles or closed captionings for your videos. All you have to do is just do the same process for the rest of the video, and it will drop each box one by one in order, and you're able to just increase the duration or decrease the duration. And once you do that for the whole video, the video will simply have this little button on the side of it where if people turn it on, it will show these closed captions right here, or if they turn it off, it will not show them. And that's all it takes to create closed captions and subtitles for your videos. So thank you for watching. Again, I am Derrick Tyndall with the IT Geeks department, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope this was helpful.